Okay, hey you guys, welcome. So if you are watching this video, chances are you are probably interested and ready to get started with the Mogul Crew, which is our team, and also with becoming a promoter with Prüvit. And so I want to show you the different options, kind of walk you through the whole process works and how that's going to go. And something that's really cool, just so you know, something that is a super cool feature is they also offer Sezzle, which is a buy now, pay later. So that means you can get started today and you have 6 weekly installments to pay this. This is only available in the USA and Canada. So sorry if anyone's watching this and you are looking at this and you're in a different area. Hopefully that will be available to you some soon or some other time. There's no credit check with this, which means you can literally start now and then pay this back as you go. So that's pretty cool. Now let's go over the options here and why and which one would be a good one. Now, when we are looking at it, the promoter only membership, so even if you're like, I don't want to get products today, or I want to start with only this one, promoter only is $49. And so when you would go to the site, I'll walk you through that. Now, keep in mind, that's absolutely fine. You can come in wherever you are able to, and you can start from there. You can always upgrade later. I will let you know, though, that with promoter only, it is going to be a little bit harder to reach some of those goals. Like there are specific time-sensitive and volume-based bonuses available in your first 30 days, which is why as soon as you press go on your business, we want to make sure that you're prepared. So it's going to be just so much easier to hit those goals and bonuses when you're starting off with one of these. It's going to give your business a boost. Also, if you are starting with one of the specific promoter packs that they list on the website, you are getting that promoter fee almost 99% waived, and they're only charging you $1 to become a promoter, which is really, really cool. Let me see here. So there's that. So it's only $1, and you don't have to sell samples. That is not mandatory. You can completely just have a storefront that is digital. But what I will say is that with this company specifically, people really like to try the different flavors, to try caffeinated versus not. And so the samples are not only are you able to get them at a discount, right? Because they're giving you a promoter only discount. You're saving like over 35% on these packages, but then you're also able to put together some of these 5 or 10 day experience kits and sell them. So not only are you making your money back right away, you're starting your business off on the biggest boost, but you're also able to make a profit. Okay, so you can start wherever you feel comfortable. This is the mini trial kit here. And this one comes with 60 servings, so you would have enough to do 6 10-day trial experiences. This one is the most popular, and this is the max pack. It comes with 120 servings, so 12 10-day experiences. And then there is the Mega Trial Builder Kit. This one has the steepest discount. Okay, so it has the steepest discount, and you're getting 240 servings, and it's also coming. This is the best part. Okay, it comes with a 12-month rank 5 pass. That means you are skipping the line. This is basically like entering a cheat code for your business to maximize the compensation plan. And for 12 months, you get to earn as if you are a rank 5. That is a significant difference. Again, completely up to you wherever you want to start. Obviously, y'all know how I do things, and that is what I went with, because I'm looking at this as, okay, at the very minimum, this is a $600 profit. Okay, depending on how much you sell the things for. So $600 in profit. What I love about this is, unlike some other companies where you purchase these packs to get started and you are left with full-size products, you're able to resell these for a profit. So that is really cool. Now, as soon as you are ready to go, what you're going to do, again, there is the Sezzle option. So as soon as you're ready to go, you're going to get the link from the person that referred you. Make sure on that page that they are, so for example, my promoter was Ashley Salvatore, and you'll want to make sure that if it's me, that I'm listed, if it's one of our team members, that they're listed. It has to be at the top. If you don't see that little blurb and that person's name, reach back out to them, because if you accidentally join the corporate site or someone else's team, we cannot help you and you will not be able to access any of our team's resources. So, okay. Now, once you get to the site, super cool. All you're going to do is click on the Become a Promoter tab. Dun, 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 and here you go. You can add whatever you want. So for example, let's say that you're coming in hot and you're ready to go. Now, for me personally, I chose caffeine free because I'm a person, like, you don't need the caffeine in order to get the benefits, and I just like uncaffeinated better. So that's the one I went with, and that was that. So then it says set up Smart Ship and never pay full price. So if you want to lock in that future discount, it should bring that up there. You can add a Smart Ship on there. So make sure that when there should be a pop-up that comes up. You can go ahead, click it. There's so much right now that is sold out, which is like, it's good to see that, right? So personally, I'm going to go ahead and click on this one, and I'm going to add this. Let's say that you want to add the 60-hour reboot to your Smart Ship, and then you're going to go to the cart, and this Smart Ship right here does not get charged today. So that's what's getting charged in 30 days, and you unlock the discount by getting onto Smart Ship. So this is also the very same process that your customers will do to get that instant discount. This does not lock you in. You can add something to Smart Ship right now. You can get your account and you could go cancel this an hour later if you wanted to. Okay, so that's pretty cool. All right, so here we go. So you can see the promoter membership is $1. I have the mega trial builder kit with 240 servings, and then my Smart Ship is $79. So then I can go to checkout, and then it's going to double check, like, hey, is this who you were referred by? And we'll say yes. And then you can go to the checkout, and then on the payment method, that is where you will enter the Sezzle information. Okay, so that's where you would enter it. So then you can see here that it's giving you, like, all right, here's all of these different, here's the subtotal, here's the discount, and look at that. Instantly, you can see the discount, you can see the discount, it all comes right off. So if I were to just gone on their website, and you can do the math, but if I were to have just gone on the website and added all these products individually, this is what the total would have been. I'm getting 710 in discounts, and then this is my final total price. So that's pretty cool. And then however you want to check out, and then as soon as you have pressed that button, you can go to highestselfhelp.com / shit, what is the thing? Hold on, I forgot what the thing is. I'll have to put it down below. But anyways, I'll put that link down below. And you'll go to you'll go there, and it's going to have you do all of the different things to get started, to join our team, to access all the team resources, and to basically, like, press go on your business. Well, not go officially. We'll talk about that in a second. So, okay, there you go. If you have any questions, you can reach out inside of the WFA group. If you're in there, you can reach out to the person who referred you there. They will be able to help you. If they can't, they will connect you to me, and I will help you. They'll put us in a messenger 3-way or something, and it's all good. We are here for you. We're so excited to welcome you, and we'll see you on the other side.